Hey everyone, welcome back to Wilson Brothers Ranch, and that right there is our chicken tractor in 67 miles per hour wind gusts. It is in this valley. It is good. It does not look like it's damaged whatsoever. That's amazing. I'm stuttering because it is a miracle it is not gone right now. It is still standing. I'm very proud of our work. Everything is still standing. That is awesome. So this is our inspection of our chicken tractor, and this is in 67 miles per hour wind. The roof looks good. It's a little bent on the sides. The broom is still here. The other legs. The legs look good. Everything looks good right here.